Good morning, students. Once again, welcome to e-learning platform of St. Michael Higher Secondary, Chhaoni Betiya. This is Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, teacher of English Language and Literature, welcoming you to this e-learning platform. Students, yesterday I just uploaded the most important portion of writing section, informal letter. I have stated that informal letter is different from formal one because it is written to your family members, your close relatives, your friends, or the person whom you know, like, and love most. As I have stated earlier, informal letter has also format for its writing. The formats are going to include following important points. The first one, sender's brief address. This point is very much common in both of the letters, formal and informal. You have to complete this portion within 2 lines without writing the name of father and mother. The second point is for writing date. I have just made it very clear that there are 2 important ways of writing the dates that I have stated here in the second page. In the second point of the letter, no any other way of writing or putting the date is allowed. The third one is the place where you have to write your salutation. That one is going to start with dear. Students, I would like to remind you again here that 2 things which are an integral part of formal letter are not added in formal letter. What are these 2 points? The first one is that you have not to write the receiver's address in formal letter, and you have also not to write subject in informal letter. These 2 steps are not written. Please keep it in mind. Please keep it in mind while you are framing, while you are writing informal letters. The next place is very important. It is common in both of the letters, which is known as main body or subject matter. I have made it clear that the main body or subject matter bears maximum of the marks, and it is the heart of the letter. It is generally written in 3 phrases combining one paragraph or written separately in individual paragraphs. It is at your liberty what kind of format for putting your main body, for writing your main body you adopt. You have to conclude your main body by writing the most common line, convey my love to everybody at home, convey my regard to elder and love to younger. This common line is generally written at the bottom of main body. That is also known as concluding line of your main body. The last thing that you have to do, you have to write yours lovingly. Yours is written without any additional sign. I am making it again and again that you have not to use any additional sign. You have to use yours like that. Yours is possessive case in itself. It never needs any sign, any additional sign. It is competent enough to make its meaning clear in its original form. And at last you have to write your name, I mean sender's name. The name should not be written in capital letter. It should be written in running letter. And if you want to write your name, you have to write your name in bracket in capital letter, but the name that is written in form of putting your signature never needs capital letter everywhere. Although it may start with capital letter, but rest of the letters should be written in just running way. Students, the marks for this informal letter, as I have stated regarding formal one, is that the same marks 6 to 10 marks. the word limit is 150 to 200 words. This may increase or decrease. So keep it in mind that you have to keep the word limit in mind. You have to keep the allotments of marks, distribution of marks in the very clear cut way. The marks allotted for that is divided into three categories. The first one is for your format, the second one is for your content, and the third one is for your expression. So marks distributed as per the norms. Students, I hope that you have understood all the aspects, all the points of informal letter. Now I am going to give you some questions which you will write in your homework copy and you will put it before me when the school reopens. There are altogether 10 questions and all of them are informal in nature. So keep the format in your mind and make it clear and frame your letter according to the concrete format that I have stated. Word limit you have to keep around 150 here, and you have to just make your letter meaningful and interesting, and it should also be written in very simple and meaningful tone and manner. Students, so please keep that all these 10 questions are very much important and very much bona fide for your coming future. So students, do all the questions in your homework copy. Again I am reminding, I'll check it and it will be added as your internal marks. If you do nicely, you will be awarded nicely. So stay healthy, stay at home. In next video I will start a new chapter from your literature book. So stay healthy, stay at home.